Hi guys, how are you doing today? Today is Monday. I'm just going to start my weekly analysis and see what the market has to offer. But before then, what I do is I check the economic calendar first because that's like a roadmap, right? To know days to look for trade opportunity and days to just avoid the market. All right, so let me just show you what I'm looking at. See, today is Monday. All day we have US bank holiday, which means the market may likely go sideways today. um I don't know, but I really don't think there will be enough volatility in the market today because of this bank holiday in the US. And Tuesday, what do we have on Tuesday? We don't have any USD news or anything, but let's just see how tomorrow goes from tomorrow. And on Wednesday, guys, look at this. On Wednesday we have President Trump speaks by 2:30 p.m. That's Nigerian time. In the US, that's like 8:30 Eastern time. All right. So let's see what this week has to offer. Let's just see what exactly this week will present to us. Right now, I'm just going to check what's where the dollar is at the moment and likely do my top-down analysis and see what to expect. We can see currently the market is still dumping to the downside. um Looking at this level, I'm also looking at this level as well, but let's just see what price has to offer this week. I did my top down analysis from the weekly time frame actually, but that's not the point of this video. I just want to document my trading journey, right? That's not the main point of this video, and I don't want this one to be too long, right? So let's see how the week goes. You guys, look at how aggressive the price has been since yesterday. Look, just imagine this, guys. Right now, I wanted to pick trade here around this level, but when I saw that price wasn't respecting this level, I didn't even bother myself. So right now, price has dumped like mad. I want to see if the market is going to get to this level, but before I even look for trade opportunity, I have to see that price is willing to reverse back to the upside before I look for trade opportunity. But if I don't see that, I'm just going to sit in my hands and wait. Like gone are days where I do jump into trades without confirmation, right? So I have to wait to see. This is a mirror USD. So price got to this level, took our liquidity here, and I'm expecting price to trade down, but I haven't picked this trade yet in my proper accounts, but I've picked this trade in another account actually. You know, we have news events by 2:30, that's Nigerian time, but 8:30 Eastern time. So I would like to wait till that news is released before I pick a trade on my proper account because I don't know what is going to happen. But this one, I've already picked this trade. Let me just see how it's going to play out. Today is Thursday. I'm still holding this trade. Let's see how this trade is going to play out today. I may close my trade today or tomorrow, but let's just see how price is going to move. I just closed this trade because there is a news that is about to be released by 8:30 Eastern time. You can see here we have this news by 2:30. This is Nigerian time here. So I'm not really sure what this news is going to be like. I don't know how volatile this news is going to be. So I'll just wait till this news is released. After the news is released, I can look for another opportunity and write it down. But for now, I'm just off the charts right now. Let me wait and see what the news will present before I look for another opportunity. So this was what happened. You know, I closed my trade around here because I just wanted to see if price will come back, at least maybe to respect a level here and continue to the downside, but that did not happen. You can see price traded all the way up. If I did not close this trade, price would have just taken back all the profit I made. Look at where price is at the moment, and today is Friday. I really don't know how today is going to be. Just waiting, guys. Just look at how price was moving on Friday. Like, just look at this move throughout Friday. Price was bullish on Euro USD. I didn't pick this trade because I was running some errands. I wasn't at my trading desk. I was not even at home, so I did not even pick this trade. You can see how price was moving all the way up. So apparently price was all bullish. You can see price was all bullish throughout this week. Since Monday, I think this was Monday. So since Monday, price has been in an uptrend. Price has been in an uptrend. If I had held on to my bias of just wanting to sell, maybe I wouldn't have even closed this trade in the first place. But just imagine, last week was bearish. So I was expecting this week to continue with the bearish move, but price changes direction from here and traded all the way up throughout the week. But it's fine, at least I learned from this. There are times you just need to accept the fact that it's not every day that you're going to see trade opportunity. There are days that your setup will not play out. There are days you'll not really find opportunity in the market. There are days that the market will just go sideways and you can't even phantom, you can't even explain what is happening in the market. There are times like that, and in as much as I'm trying to be in sync or in line with what price is presenting, sometimes I just have to stay out of the market to really see what price will do and learn from it, right? It's not just about picking trades every time, it's about watching how the market plays out and also learning from how it moves, okay? So, like I said, psychology is also really important. Like, I did not learn this earlier. I didn't learn about this earlier, but I'm trying as much as possible to always put my psychology in check when I'm picking a trade and also allowing my trades to play out. That doesn't mean I will not exit my trade when I see clearly that price has shifted direction. Like, it's not about being the perfect person, it's not about having the best risk to reward, or it's just all about being in sync with the market and knowing what price is doing, trying to react based on what we are seeing on the chart and all of that. Yeah, so guys, that's just how my week went. I just hope I will be able to document more next week. I'm not really used to putting clips together like on a daily basis. I'm so used to just sitting down to talk, express myself. I'm used to shooting my video in a day. I'm not used to piling up clips on a daily basis, but I'm just gonna try to do that more, right? Because the essence is to document my trades on this channel too, and to also talk about my psychology, and to also help one or two persons out there too. So I just hope you enjoyed this video. I just hope how was your week like? Let me know in the comments section. How was your week like? So let's have a chat in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Mina. So on this channel, I document my trading journey. I talk about um, trading psychology and anything related to trading actually. So if you are also a forex trader, do well to join the family by subscribing to the channel and also give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching.